Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey friends, welcome back to my generation. Today is a special video for all of you. After giving you many videos of my fish, my fish culture technique, my tank setup and many other things, I want to give you a clear and full video setup, video for my setup, which kind of fish I have, which kind of live plants and any other things, how many fish and how I culture live food and live bearers. So this is the complete video. You can get your ideas from here. So let's start it. First of all, you'll see this is a tank with no fish. Here I culture mosquito larva. I have also already give a video about this. This is live food for fish, guppy and other fish. Second one here is I culture here Java moss for guppy, for shrimp. And I have also here a small guppy fry for experiment to how to watch the growth rate of guppy fries. Here I have red shrimp, here blue shrimp. I have already give you a video in this channel. Here I have only 2-piece adult, I think electric blue guppy. They are hiding, so you can't see them right now, but they are still in here. Here I have more than 200 pieces of guppy molly platy mixed. You can see the fries, lot of fries. Black one are molly, red one are platy, and others are guppies. The adults are hiding in the bottom. It's okay. You can see some male guppies. Okay, next one is my red tail platinum tank here. These tanks are capacity minimum 3500 liter water, and the first one is around 140 to 50 liter water. This is my red tail platinum setup. You can see the fries. This is the adult female and the fries are here. Okay, this is semi-adult male. You can see the color, the ear, and next one is Santa Claus. I have some live plant in this tank. In the bottom you can see the star gross, the denture, hornot, pana, and have no frog bead here. Here the Santa Claus female. You can see some fries are playing. This tank also capacity minimum 300 liter to 300 to 20 liter water. And next one, but not the last but not the least one, is my culture tank. I culture here Apple snail, I culture here dapnia. You can see the dapnia. These small things are dapnia. I already made a video how to culture dapnia, how to culture apple snail, and many other things you can find in this channel. Just visit and watch. This tank capacity minimum 25 to 30 liter or 35 liter, not much liter water. This is green vegetable for the apple snail and dapnia. This is good for their health. You can see minimum 200 to 300 apple snail here. I already uploaded a video, please watch them. and give me a comment. And the last one are there, so let's go there. This is a small place outside my house. I grow here tree, vegetables, fruit plant, and other things in the lockdown time, in the rest time, leisure time. Here I only culture some right now some live plants like hornodendra, frogweed, and some dapnias. I can't see the dapnias right now, but they are still in here. I am thinking about some comet or koi carp to breed here. Here minimum 300 to 400 liter water. This is a small place made by me some days ago. I made it with only plastic, no filter, no plant, air pumps and anything. Just sunlight and fish. You can see the rain water. They are clear, crystal clear. I have many fruit plants here. This is my garden. So friends, enough for today. Please give me a comment how you like my garden, or if you have any question, have any suggestion, you like this video, you hate this video, you don't like this video, please give me a clear clarification. This is my complete setup from here to there and there. Okay. Thanks for watching, Fred.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?